India-US relations have witnessed significant growth in recent years with enhanced cooperation in defense, trade, and technology. The two nations have strengthened their strategic partnership with increased bilateral trade, investment, and people-to-people ties. However, despite initiatives like the Quad and I2U2, a question arises: is the US truly a reliable partner for India? Although the India-US partnership is multidimensional, it's undeniable that concerns about China are a major driver behind the increased cooperation between the two nations. If the China factor were to disappear, the India-US alliance might not remain as robust as it is today. The US seeks to counter China, and for this it needs India. Historically, the US has pursued strategies of empowering others to counter its adversaries, often reaping the benefits without direct involvement. John Mersheimer, a prominent international relations scholar, suggests that the US often avoids direct confrontation, instead encouraging others to fight on its behalf. He advises the US to put other players against each other, allowing them to weaken one another, while the US reaps the benefit from a distance. This raises concerns that America could use India to weaken China through a potential conflict, avoiding direct confrontation. In such a scenario, both India and China would incur significant losses, while the US, situated far from the conflict, could achieve its strategic goal with minimal cost. The US has a history of involvement in international conflict. During the Tibetan rebellion against China, the CIA trained Tibetan warriors in the US and secretly airdropped them into Tibet. The Chinese believed that these airdrops were connected by the Indian Air Force and repeatedly protested about Indian air incursions. But in the reality, it was the US, and it created a mistrust and suspicion between India and China. More recently, reports suggest that the US seeks control over the strategically significant St. Martin's Island in the Bay of Bengal. From this location, the US could monitor Chinese and Indian activities, posing potential problems for the both nations. Reports also claim that the US has strong ties with the Muhammad Yunus, further raising questions about its intentions in the region. Another area of concern is the US selective recognition of the Indian territory. While the US recognizes Arunachal Pradesh as part of India, it does not do the same for the Aksai Chin. Additionally, the US provides safe place to the Khalistani terrorist group Singh Pannun and allegedly supports other Khalistani elements, further straining trust. The US has also not extradited David Coleman Headley, one of the key masterminds behind the 26/11 terrorist attacks, despite multiple requests and significant evidence from India. All these factors lead to an important question: can India truly trust the US as a reliable partner? What are your opinions on this? Please tell in the comments. Thank you.